Hello everyone, this is Prachi and thanks for joining me in this broadcast. Guys, today I'm very happy and very excited because I am here for the announcement of my new brand which is especially for the women's. And guys, in this brand we have all variety for the women's, like we have office wear, we have party wear, we have casual wear, we have beach wear. And guys, as we are the manufacturer of this brand as well, so you do not need to worry about the quality of the product because we are ensuring you the quality of the product is 100%. And guys, right now I have the sample of my brand as well, which I would love to show with you. So guys, as you can see, this is the party wear top which is from the age group of 15 to 25 with all the sizes from small to double XL. As you can see, it has some crystal on its neck side. It is totally party wear. Apart from this, I have one more sample as well, and it is like beach. It is especially for the beach wear, and it is a casual short for the women's. It has two patterns and two colors. And guys, all the product will be live on the store from the next week, so you can buy easily. You can go to the website and you can buy it. And so guys, this is how you can use the Vegisto live stream module. Yes, I am Prachi and I am from team Vegisto. I am here to give you the demo about this module, like how the influencer can go live with the stream and can communicate, can interact with the audience on the live stage, and how they can use this feature for the announcement of any brand, for the announcement of any product and services going to live on the website, for the announcement of any partnership with a big brand, for the announcement of any services you are going to give your customer. Now I will take you to the admin panel so that we can see all the configuration which admin has to do to successfully use this feature. So guys, as you can see, this is our wonderful Vegisto admin panel. To check out the live stream module configuration or settings, we need to go to the live stream menu. Once the admin go to the live stream menu, they will find some menus such as influencer and stream. Under the influencer, as we can see, there is a list of influencer available to the store, and here is a button to invite influencer, by which admin can invite the many influencer. Those will be eligible or will doing the live streaming or broadcasting. So it is very simple for the admin to invite the influencer. They just need to put the details like first name, last name and email ID of the influencer. Then admin will click on the invite button to invite the influencer. And once the admin invite the influencer will get the email from the admin side, by which influencer can set or reset their password. Apart from this, influencer will be the person who will do the live streaming and broadcasting. So now we will go to the stream section. Under the stream section, guys, we will see all the streaming created by the admin here, and admin can create many or n number of streams through this module. For creating the stream, admin will click on the add stream button. Then admin has to put some details like title of the stream, brand launch, and we can enter the description for this. Then admin can set the schedule date for this particular stream and time as well. And from the influencer drop down, admin can choose the influencer to whom they wanted to assign this particular stream. And under the media section, admin can add the thumbnail for a particular stream. And from the product section, admin can add some related product to the stream. Admin can simply start the typing the product name and they will find the search option, and they can simply choose those products to whom they wanted to show in their live streaming. Then they can click on save stream button, and here we see the success message stream created successfully. So right now you can see guys, we have two streaming, and this is very simple for the admin to add the influencer and add the stream. Now we will go to the configure section to do some configuration which we need to done so that our module will run successfully. For this we need to go to the configure section. Then under the configure section you will see live streaming. Here you have to do some server settings like stun server. Here you have to put the URL for that. Then you need to active this toggle button. Then you need to put some turn server details. Here you will enter the URL for turn server, then username and credential for the turn server. Then you have to active this toggle button. And this is again an important section like stream clip duration. As you can see, we have some note as well. For the best result, it should be greater than at least 15 seconds, or if 0 given, then default duration will be set to 30 seconds. That simply means this duration is for like if there is no network connection during your live streaming, then your video will be automatically saved in every 5 seconds. Then we will click on save button to save this configuration, and our configuration is saved. Now we will go to the front end. So guys, this is our front end, and this is the button for live streams, so by which customers, users of your store can see all the upcoming live streams of your store. As you can see, these are some upcoming live streaming, which is one of which is assigned to the Peter Doe, one of which is assigned to the John. And now we will go to the influencer profile to see how influencer will go live. So I am on the influencer profile as of now. Simply the customer and the influencer login is same. Let me show you. So basically this is our store, and this is our customer login section from which influencer and customer both can log in. And if you are an influencer, then you will find this section which is live stream, under which you can see your profile, where you can see some general settings, and media section where you can add your logo and banners, and social link you can add Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest. Apart from this, there is one section which is a stream. So under this stream, the influencer will find all the streams which is assigned by the admin, and here influencer will find all the streams which is assigned by the admin. And once influencer will click on this icon to go live, here influencer will find this stream, and by clicking on this go live button, influencer can go live and communicate with the viewers of the broadcasting. So guys, this is very simple and easy to successfully configure and use this module. So guys, as you can see, the module is already live into the store, Vegistore live stream, and the price of the module is, as you can see, $999. You can buy this module by paying this amount, and user guide is already there of the module. If you have any doubt, so you can check out the user guide of the module. Features is already listed here. And guys, if you have still any query related to the module, you can reach us at vegistore.uvdex.com. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.